Have you ever wondered how to strike a balance between caring for your family and caring for yourself? How can you prevent burnout and prioritize self-care without feeling guilty? Stay tuned. Hi, Mom-to-be, and welcome back to Mother of Moms, your go-to channel for all things related to fertility, pregnancy, and motherhood. Motherhood is a demanding and rewarding journey that often leaves little time for self-care. Moms frequently find themselves prioritizing their family's needs above their own, which can lead to burnout and diminished well-being. However, it's essential for mothers to remember that taking care of themselves is not selfish, but necessary for their physical and mental health. In this video, we will explore 10 tips for busy moms to make time for themselves and embrace self-care. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and don't forget to show some love by smashing that like button. Now that we have the basics out of the way, let's get started. Number 1. Establish a daily routine. Creating a daily routine can provide structure and predictability to a mom's day. In this routine, moms can allocate time for themselves, ensuring that self-care becomes a regular and non-negotiable part of their daily life. This may include designating a specific time for exercise, meditation, journaling, or any activity that brings joy and relaxation. A routine helps ensure that self-care activities are integrated into the day's schedule, making it more likely to happen consistently. Number 2. Embrace the power of no. One of the most challenging aspects for many mothers is learning to say no. Moms often find themselves inundated with requests and obligations, which can lead to overwhelming stress and burnout. Saying no is an essential skill for maintaining boundaries and safeguarding time for self-care. It means acknowledging that it's okay to decline additional commitments when necessary, whether they be social, work-related, or even family-related, to protect personal time and energy. Number 3. Delegate responsibilities. Many moms tend to shoulder the bulk of household responsibilities and childcare duties, leaving little time for themselves. Delegating tasks to other family members or even seeking external help, such as hiring a babysitter or house cleaner, can be a game changer. It allows moms to share the load and ensures that they have time for self-care without feeling overwhelmed by the weight of their responsibilities. Number 4. Prioritize sleep. Adequate sleep is vital for both physical and mental health. However, many moms find it difficult to get enough sleep due to the demands of parenting. To prioritize sleep, it's crucial to establish a bedtime routine and create an environment conducive to rest. This may involve setting boundaries with late-night activities, turning off electronic devices, and finding time to rest during the day, especially for moms with newborns or infants. Number 5. Find supportive networks. Motherhood can sometimes feel isolating, but building or joining supportive networks can alleviate this loneliness. Connecting with other moms who understand the challenges and joys of parenting can provide a sense of community and valuable emotional support. These networks can also facilitate babysitting swaps or playdates, allowing moms to enjoy a break while their children socialize. Sharing experiences, advice, and resources with other moms can help reduce stress and make self-care more accessible. Number 6. Make self-care a family affair. Incorporating self-care into family activities can be a win-win situation. Moms can engage in self-care activities while also spending quality time with their children and partners. For example, family walks or bike rides are a great way to stay active while bonding with your loved ones. Cooking or baking together can be a fun and therapeutic way to unwind. Encourage the family to play board games, do arts and crafts, or engage in outdoor adventures, making it a collective experience that benefits both moms and their children. Number 7. Set realistic goals. It's important for moms to set achievable goals for themselves. Realistic goals help prevent feelings of inadequacy and frustration, common sources of stress for many mothers. By breaking larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, moms can make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. This approach allows them to celebrate small achievements and maintain motivation, ultimately supporting their well-being. Number 8. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation can be powerful tools for managing stress and enhancing overall well-being. By dedicating a few minutes each day to mindfulness practices, such as deep breathing exercises, guided meditation, or simply being present in the moment, moms can reduce anxiety and increase their mental resilience. These practices enable them to find moments of peace and relaxation amid the hectic demands of motherhood. Number 9. Outsource when possible. Many moms feel the pressure to be the sole caregivers and homemakers, which can lead to exhaustion. Outsourcing tasks like grocery shopping, cleaning, or meal preparation can free up valuable time and energy. While there may be an associated cost, the relief from these responsibilities can outweigh the expense. Consider it an investment in your mental and physical well-being, allowing you to focus on self-care and spending quality time with your family. Number 10, learn to let go. Perfection is an unrealistic standard in motherhood, and striving for it can lead to stress and feelings of inadequacy. Learning to let go of unattainable expectations is essential for self-care. Moms should forgive themselves for not always being able to do it all. Self-compassion is the key here, as it allows mothers to accept their imperfections and recognize that they are doing their best. By letting go of unrealistic demands and embracing self-compassion, moms can find more peace and joy in their parenting journey, making self-care a more natural and guilt-free part of their lives. In conclusion, making time for self-care is not a luxury but a necessity for moms. By following these 10 tips, mothers can prioritize their own well-being, reduce stress, and ultimately become better parents and partners. Remember, taking care of yourself is an act of love, both for yourself and your family. Self-care is not selfish but a vital component of being a healthy and happy mom. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of the upcoming videos on fertility, pregnancy tips, parenting advice, and much more. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. With love, Mom.